certifications. We are leaders in creating opportunities for small business. Hey, I'm gonna be real quick, real swift, and real efficient, right? So we're going over ads, right? Marketing, advertisement, and we're talking about, once you're running an ad, okay, with that target audience, a big part of ads is retargeting. All right. So here's a never. You have your always and you have your always, your musts, your nevers. This is a never. Never run the same video, okay, when you're retargeting that audience. Why? Because you're not going to keep their attention, all right? So when you look on your dashboard after you run an engagement ad, meaning you just ran an ad you're looking for engagement, meaning you're looking for views, you're looking for impressions, you're looking for some feedback, right? Because you want to see how long that audience watched the video, right? Whether it was 3 seconds, 5 seconds, 10 seconds, or they watched it all the way through. Now you retarget them, right? You want to retarget them with a different video. Okay, you already had their attention. It's no different than having the opposite sex attention for 5 seconds, 10 seconds. Now you want to come back to her or him, okay, with a better outfit. You get what I'm saying? It's the same thing, because retargeting, that's everything when you're marketing. That's everything. That's the core of building your audience. You never want to stop building your audience. Okay, so that's the core of rebuilding your audience, is the retarget. When you're retargeting them, you come with something totally different, meaning it's almost the same, but it's different, if that makes sense to you. Okay, so never use the same video. When you're retargeting, some people like to call it remarketing, okay, come back with something totally different, right? But the same person. It's like showing up with a fresher outfit on, right? Okay, in that person's face. All right, you're gonna get a lot of oohs and ahs, even if it's not verbal. Okay, their eyes gonna change. Why? Because it comes across as maybe you have style. Maybe you look smoother. Maybe your physical attraction looks more appealing. Okay, this day. But however, okay, you come back at that audience, right? Okay, with a new video. Okay, or a demonstration of something fresher. All right, there you have it.